5 storage ideas for tiny apartment. 1. A rolling storage. Having some drawer sets can take up some space and they are heavy to be moved around. You can just have a simple storage one which can be moved around easily and it will not take up much space. That is a rolling storage. A rolling storage usually made vertically and consists of some levels. Using this kind of storage will help you placing many things like school supplies, bathroom storage, non-perishable food, even your makeup. 2. Hanging closet storage made from crates. Your clothes can be so many of them and you have no idea to put them in your tiny apartment. Here is an idea to create a hanging closet for you. You need some unused crates. Paint it with color you like and add some ropes there. You can make some holes to connect each rope with each crate you have. You are done with that and it's ready to hang on your house. 3. Vertical storage. In a tiny apartment, make sure to utilize as much vertical space as possible. You won't have much storage to put up all of your things. That is why you need a vertical shelf. You can also hang some shelves to store some things, like decorations, books, trophies, and many more. It is very worth using up all of the vertical space. 4. Organized door storage. You can make use of back of the door. You may need to store your stuffs more, but unfortunately, you don't have any more space inside the tiny apartment. Don't be so confused since you can still make use your back door. You can put some baskets there to put up some things you want. Additionally, you can add levels of baskets, so you will have some more storage. 5. Food storage. You may be kind of person who like to eat snacks a lot, and mostly you buy a big size of them. Then, you might be confused to keep all of your snacks later on. Thing you can do is adding a hanging storage inside your cabinet. You can just add a small and long stick with some hooks, and you can use paper clips to hang any packaged food you have.